In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Best Birds stamp set and coordinating Birds and Blooms Thinlit dies. So the birds can be cut out, as well as the flowers and this nice tree branch right here, as well as some additional birds. So to start, I'm going to show you how I cut and scored this card. So you're just going to use a regular 5.5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock like you would for a regular sized card. And you're going to score at, let's see if I did it this way. You're going to cut it first is what I did. So you're going to bring in your Stampin' trimmer and you're going to place it at the 4.5 inch mark, and you're going to cut it from 1 to 5 1/4. And then you'll place this at the 1 inch mark, and you'll do the same thing. You will cut from 1 to 5 1/4. Then you will score at 1, 2, and then the inside part, it's a little bit hard to see, but you'll score at 4 1/4 only on the inside piece, not on the outside, and then at 5 1/4. So that's the scoring and cutting. So then to fold the card, you'll fold this mountain fold, valley, mountain, and that will give you the base for the card. And this is a nice standing card that you can use. It would be great to put a picture on it or any other sentiment, and then it can be displayed on somebody's desk or wherever. So I'm gonna use some Sahara sand I stamped off to create a background there. And then I'm going to color the branch with soft suede. It's an easy way to get multiple colors onto one stamp is to use your markers to color. So I'm gonna use the Pear Pizzazz marker to color the rest of the leaves. And then I will stamp that on here as well. And then I'll stamp Happy Birthday and Highland Heather up in the corner. And I've already stamped and cut out my birds, so I'm just going to adhere this onto the centerpiece right here. And then I've already cut out some paper. And I will adhere these to the sides too. It's just nice to add some designer series paper. This is the paper that coordinates with the Sea of Textures stamp set. So I thought it was a nice addition. And I should have put this on first because it actually tucks underneath this piece. So I'll just place that right there. Okay, and then we have our bird. And we'll just put a dimensional, maybe 2 on our bird. And place our bird on the branch. And then I've already stamped and cut out the flower and put a mini dimensional on the flower. So we'll add a little flower. And there you've got your center card. So this is using the Best Birds stamp set and the Birds and Blooms framelits. So if you want to purchase any of the products that you've seen in this video, go to my website, estampin.com, and you will find all of the information listed there.